Assalamualaikum. In this assignment for the subject MNS3143 Maritime Safety, which consists of 4 members, introduce Group 28, which consists of undergraduate maritime management students, namely Muhammad Idham bin Yusuf, S62412, Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Zakaria, S62819, Ahmad Aufi Daniel bin Azman, S62536, and Sharukan bin Kasim, S63237. The topic given in is the Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarer. For Task 1 will be presented by Ahmad Aufi Daniel bin Azman. Task 2 will be presented by Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Zakaria, while for Task 3 will be presented by Sharukan bin Kasim.
So for the task 1, what is PPE or personal protective equipment? It provides protection when there is no risk that can be avoided or can be reduced through normal safe work practices. In general, all PPE require for head protection and hand and foot protection, especially on board a ship. For the ship surveyor, the PPE are as follows: head protection, hearing protection, face and eye protection, respiratory protective equipment, hand and foot protection. For the head protection, among their equipments are bump cap to protect against bruising and abrasion when working in confined space, safety helmet to protect against falling object, hairnet to protect their hair from becoming entangled in the machinery. Another one is hearing protection. There are two of them, which is earplug and earmuffs to protect the eye, to protect the ear from the high levels of noise. The other one is hand and foot protection, which is gloves and safety boot to handle rough or sharp objects. To resist by using the glove, we can resist heat when handling hot objects, and protect from the penetration through the sole, slipping, heat and crushing. And then respiratory protective equipment through respirator, which is it acts as a breathing apparatus from dust and others. And particular for moving from pilot boat to pilot ladder, it may requires protection from falls and drowning. So we have buoyancy aid and life jacket to protect us from drowning and give us float ability over the water. And then we have thermal protective clothing to protect us from the cold shock. Another one is a 5-point harness, which is an equipment to protect us from falls when using the ladder.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Zakaria, metric number S62819. Today I want to emphasize the critical importance of following a strict procedure when entering confined space on board a ship to ensure the safety of workers and prevent accident. First and foremost, the preparation for a permit to work is essential. This document is used by a competent person and approved by the entry supervisor and issuer. Includes crucial details such as the location, purpose and duration of the entry, as well as the name of authorized entrance and safety teams. Isolation from hazard is the next crucial step. Whether electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, chemical or thermal source of dangers should be locked, targeted, blanket or disconnected. The entrance must be secured and marked to prevent unauthorized access. Initial cleaning and ventilation are paramount. Raining, purging or flushing the confined space remove potential contaminant, while proper ventilation ensure a safe environment for entrance with continuous airflow and functioning system. Pre-entry testing of the confined space atmosphere is non-negotiable. A calibrated gas tester check oxygen, thermal gas and toxic gas at various levels. Results are recorded and testing in repeated periodically or with changing conditions. Personal protective equipment is a must. Standard gear include a full body safety harness, helmet, gloves, boot and eye protection. Additional equipment like respirator, gas detector, flashlight or lifeline may be necessary based on specific hazard. Only after the permit is approved does entry and work commence. Interest must strictly follow permit instruction, communicate regularly with the standby person, and exit immediately if unsafe conditions arise. Upon completion of the work, the permit is signed off by all relevant parties. Interns visit the confined space, return equipment, and the space is restored to its original condition. The work area is cleared and the entrance is closed and secured. In conclusion, adherence to this meticulous procedure ensure the safety of those entering confined space on ship, mitigating risks and creating a secure working environment. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sharukan bin Kasim, metric number S63237, and I will be the presenter for the task 3. Upon observing my unconscious friend in the cargo tank, the necessary action to take based on the provided guidelines code of safety are as follows. First, raising the alarm. Immediately sound the alarm to alert the rest of the team and the ship's crew about the emergency situation. This is referred to accident and medical emergencies, Chapter 2, Safety Induction. Second, use of breathing apparatus and resuscitation equipment. Since my friend is unconscious, it's crucial to use breathing apparatus and resuscitation equipment. This is in line with the guidelines for entry into dangerous space, which is emphasize the use of maintenance and breathing apparatus and rescue equipment in case of emergencies. This is referred to use of breathing apparatus, Chapter 15, entering dangerous enclosed space. Next, assisting the casualty. Once inside the tank, follow the outline procedure for assisting casualties and providing basic treatment until more qualified help arrives. This may include administering first aid and initiating the process for safely removing from the unconscious individual from the tank. This one is best from assisting a casualty, Chapter 4, Emergency Drills and Procedure. Lastly, compliance with confined space regulation. Adhere to the requirement for compliance with Confined Space Regulation 1997, which emphasized the importance of proper ventilation, isolation, securing of the space, as well as the use of atmosphere testing equipment and personal monitoring device. Referring duties and responsibilities of a competent person and authorized officer. Chapter 15, Entering Dangerous Enclosed Space. By following this necessary action, I can ensure the safety and well-being of my team member and effectively respond to the emergency situation in the cargo tank of the ship. Thank you.